Hey to all my crafty friends, hope y'all are doing well. I wanted to share with you my latest project, and that is organizing a bunch of stamps and dies. And you're gonna hear some TV in the background because baby girl's in there playing. So I brought up a bunch of baskets. It's gotten out of hand with a lot of the yard sales that I've gone to in the past year or two. And I have a system in my room, but I've outgrown it. So I wanted to go ahead and organize these and then maybe readdress. And do you guys think this is all of them? No, nay, no, it's not. Look, ignore my messy kitchen after breakfast. See, I've got bags from yard sales. See, this is how I do them. But, you know, that was one that was left. And then I have more over here. So I brought them all up a little earlier. Some of these are organized as well. But I have them on some IKEA shelving, but I've outgrown. Plus some of these don't fit well on there. So I've got different containers. I know a lot of people put them in sleeves. That would cost an arm and a leg to get all of these organized in sleeves and stuff. So yeah, until I hit the lottery, that's not gonna happen. But yeah, so I've got some, you know, like I said, I bought at yard sales, resale stores, or, you know, regular stores. And I'm gonna go through them and try to organize these. Yeah, it's a lot of stamps, y'all. A lot of them in here. There's a container on top of here. I'm gonna take that out. Ugh, one-handed, left-handed at that. Set that down. So as you guys can see, got some organizing to do. I may venture out and get a couple of other containers. I have those over on the table that I'm going to use to sort for now. So yeah, this is what I'm going to work on today as much as I can, because I've got baby girl in there. She's in her living room, her playroom, my living room, and get that set up and work on this as much as I can in between her activity time. I do some scheduled projects and stuff with her on a daily basis. So, all right, guys, so I'll check in and let you know how it goes. Wish me luck, and yeah, stay tuned.